Ever wished your blood sugar could just text you instead of surprising you at 3 a.m.? Yeah, same. That's exactly why I looked into the AIDEx continuous glucose monitor. And today I'll tell you straight if this thing is legit or just another fancy wrist decoration. If you're searching for real-time glucose tracking without constantly poking your fingers, AIDEx is probably already on your radar. I tested it as a daily use CGM and here's what stood out. First, it's 24/7 real-time monitoring. Once a sensor is applied under the skin, it tracks glucose trends continuously and sends the data straight to your phone. No guessing, no manual logging, just clear patterns you can actually understand. Setup is surprisingly simple: 3 parts: sensor, transmitter, and your phone. The auto applicator makes insertion quick, and the 1 hour warm up is reasonable for a CGM. What I genuinely liked is how it helps reduce extreme highs and lows. Seeing trends early makes a difference, especially for managing A1C and avoiding sudden drops. It's lightweight, waterproof, and comfortable enough to forget you're wearing it, which is honestly the best compliment. So scam or legit, from real world use and features that actually work, AIDEx looks legit, especially if you care about trends and not just numbers. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.